Hey, hello everyone, this is Setu Ratna, and today's video is about a small entertainment zone that is set up at Bukit Batok West Mall for kids. Yes, it's been set up by the J Kids Amusement Park, and I have actually seen all their setup in Gardens by the Bay also. Such a wonderful team. They have a great offers for us if in case we are going to buy the credits in bulk. So it is like a card which you need to go and buy and top up with credits, and then you have to use for every game, say 5 credits for a child, and if you are an accompanying adult you will be actually giving 2 more credits for the game. So it was very fun event. So it is at the West Mall. It's only open till July 2nd. It's actually thrown for the holiday season. I found it last week, so I thought I'll share it on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the video, and this is Setu Ratna signing off. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about Singapore and lots of offers, updates, shopping and much more. Thank you.